Hi, back again, and today it's a little bit exciting because I have my birthday present. My birthday presents have arrived and I'm very happy about that because I ordered them a while ago. It's understandable though because they had to come from all the way, literally from the other side of the planet in ye olde London town. So I'm going to show you what it is, but before I do, I'm going to show you my other birthday present, which I'm wearing right now, which is a custom art piece that was made for me by my daughters. Check it out. It's my white hoodie, and they've drawn all over it, and they've got all of me all over it and all my different characteristics and everything. And I've got Eau de Raffi K here, the best fragrance in the world. Absolutely love it. And I've actually worn this out in public, and a lot of people commented, thought that it was actually printed on, but no, they just drew it on with permanent markers. So yes, I do have some talented girls with the art. So now what you all came here to see is probably an unboxing of my birthday fragrance. And I usually do like a birthday haul where I spend a whole bunch of money and get maybe like 20, 30 fragrances in one box, open them all up, give some of them a sniff, and then come back to them and revisit them later on. But this year, I thought I'd do the opposite thing and get some like one special thing that I've had my eye on, or I've had my nose on for a little while now. And that is behind me over there, so I'm gonna grab it. But before I do, I'm gonna show you what else it came with. Okay, so many thanks to the folks at the Roja Dove Haute Perfumerie, who actually do ship to Australia, which was great. And when they did ship, and I think it's a pretty good deal if you are in sort of, I guess Europe or the UK, where they actually do have more reasonable, or I think free shipping as well, to actually just buy one bottle of Roja and then also get some goodies to go along with it. And the goodies that I got was a 5-pack of this here, which is the Pierre de Velay collection. This is the Bright collection, and I've also got a 5-pack of the non-bright collection as well, which I've been testing out. And at the moment, I think I've only tried out of this bunch Pierre de Velay number 23, which I do enjoy. I actually liked it. And I think, yeah, it's gone because I chucked it on way earlier in the day. And on top of that, I got this, which is a 7.5 ml atomizer of Amber Oud, which I have been wanting to get my nose on for a very long time. It's really hard to come by. Even the people that actually stock like a lot of decants and things like that didn't actually, like the guy that I usually go to, he didn't have this one. He had the musk one, he had the regular one, he had the sweetie one, but he just didn't have the amber one, which I have a friend who really swears by this. And I am going to give this a fuller wearing in the future sometime. But for now, I'm going to unbox the thing that I bought, really. And that is this one right here. This is the ye olde ye goodie Elysium, and it is the Parfum Cologne by Roja Dove. Now, is this possibly the most likable one? The most mass appealing one? Probably. I think it's the easiest wear, that's for sure. I mean, it's not like I haven't smelled this before. I did have a decant of it that I got sent just to try out, and it's been on my mind for a while, and it just grew on me and kept on growing on me. And so when it came time, goodbye environment, to make a decision, this was the one that I wanted to go for, because I think I will get the most use out of it, especially in the coming warmer weather. Now, here is ye presentation in here, and we shall take him out of the box like this. And there it is. There you go. It's a nicer look at it, maybe. Okay. Oh, it's on backwards. Let's give it a spray. Nice. That's going to take a little bit of time to actually open up, because right off the get-go, it feels a little bit closed. There's that citrus opening, but it's kind of bright still. It's all right. It's pretty good. But the decant that I had was a tad bit different to this. And I think that, as with all things that are like this, I'm assuming higher quality natural ingredients, things like that, it will need time to sort of mature a little bit in the bottle. Now, one thing I want to call out is the Parfum Cologne, which I've seen a lot of reviews on these Parfum Colognes, but I don't think I've actually heard anyone talk about the novelty behind a Parfum Cologne, and that is the concentration, that it's not a parfum, it's not a cologne, it's a Parfum Cologne. And I don't know if you dig into it, it's supposed to act like a cologne, in that it gives you that bright spark, that burst of sort of freshness up the top, which people really enjoy in colognes, because it gives them a nice sort of cooling sort of characteristic, and it gives it that bright spark of effervescence, and it's mixed with a parfum concentration, which apparently is supposed to give you the longevity of a parfum. So it's supposed to act like the best of both worlds, in that you've got that freshness that lasts for a very long time. And I don't think that I've heard too many people speak about the concentration of the Parfum Colognes, so I'm going to speak about it, and I did. So there you go. Okay, and I've given this a little bit of time to settle on my hand where I sprayed it, and really, that's what I enjoy about this. It's not the super realistic sort of citrus kick that you get at the top, but it's really when it sort of calms down a little bit and those citruses sort of mellow out and play with the vetiver and black currant. So that fruity, sort of tart, sort of tangy fruity note with the grassy earthiness of the vetiver, along with, if you can smell it, there is a hint of that salty ambergris that is tying it down, and it's a really nice ambergris as well. I'm not the hugest fan of ambergris, but when it's done right, as in anchoring it, just fantastic. Perfect. And look, you can dress this up, you can dress this down. It's a very, very, I guess, versatile kind of scent as well. I have smelled, like I said before, I've smelled, I think, 5 of the Pierre de Valets, and I've smelled a whole bunch of other Rojas as well. And they're not all super versatile, according to me. But this one, probably the most mass appealing that you can probably get. It's a really nice one. Straight off the bat too. I'm totally gonna make myself anosmic smelling my hand for the rest of the night. So there you go. It's a really quick and short one. And I'm just so super glad that it arrived in one piece, because that's the worst thing when you have a fragrance arrive and it comes broken. It's happened to me before. So I'm very glad. Again, thanks again to the Haute Perfumerie for hooking up the shipping all the way from London to Australia. I very much appreciate that, and I'm glad that it arrived, and I'm glad that it smells great, and I'm also glad for the extras that you get. It's actually pretty good value when you think about it. However, the shipping kind of kills it for me. But like I said, if you're in Europe or if you're in the UK, it's totally a really, really good deal. Man. So I've got like 2 of the Parfum Cologne lines so far. I think I've got the Vetiver and I've got this one now, and I think that's probably where I'll stop and sort of head down the Parfum sort of area in future, because I think in terms of the scents, these are the ones that appeal to me the most. The Vetiver mainly appealed to me the most in this Parfum Cologne line. I think the Vetiver is probably up there with probably the best Roja Dove that I've smelled, except for Enigma Parfum, because that's just unique. It's just, even if you don't agree with the philosophy and the pricing of Roja, I think that you'll agree that that Enigma is a very unique proposition if you've ever actually smelled it. And I absolutely adore that one. And I've got it too. So once again, thank you for watching what has been very quick, I think, the quickest birthday haul video that I've done in the last, well, this is my third one. So there you go. So yeah, once again, thanks for watching.